Today I'm going to be reviewing PYK-DKIX's electrical outlet extender stick from 8.2 inches to 36 inches. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's open up the box. I'm going to show you what you get and why you're going to need this. In the box, you get 3 more boxes. This is going to help you set this up so you can extend the outlets up, down, left, or right. You've got these extenders and they click in so you can extend that power up or down or left or right, depending on where your wall outlet is. Here's the actual unit here. So you're going to extend 2 outlets. Look, you even get USB-A, 2, and a USB-C. So as you want to extend it, you just put this in like this, and that pushes in. All right, so here's the final piece. Now look, each one of these caps is going to allow you to adjust this the way you need it. So if you need this upright and you need this off to the right, you can put it in like that. However the outlet is, this allows all different types of adjustments that you're going to need to plug this in. This does do really well on Amazon. It gets 4.8 stars, but it only has 10 reviews. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.